Welcome to the Fresno County Public Library YouTube channel. Today, Jennifer is assembling paper bead bracelets at the Fig Garden Regional Library. If you picked up a kit from a participating library, you have everything you need with one exception, which is a glue stick or a standard bottle of PVA glue. Okay, we're going to start to run through the needed supplies in case you're gathering them yourself. So what we have here is a variety of colored beads, some elastic string, any color, and you're going to want about a foot of that. And the string she's using today is a 1 millimeter cord. You'll want some recycled paper in a variety of colors that you enjoy, as well as a ruler, a pair of scissors, some round toothpicks, and it's important that they're round, as well as a pencil, and possibly, if you're interested, some Mod Podge sealant adhesive. To begin, let's look at the one that is partially completed, and you'll see with standard beads threaded by the string, we have rolled one that looks quite nice. And this is where the work is involved, so let's begin. First, you're going to measure paper about the width of the beads and cut a strip ending in a tapered triangle, about that long. You're going to begin to carefully and tightly roll the paper with a toothpick. And you'll notice she's holding it down and taking her time with that, because this is the part that requires the most attention. And you're going to want to slow down at the end, because when you approach the last 1/3 or so, that's when you're going to apply the glue to the paper. You'll also notice, and it's really important to remember this, that the color you want on the bead is going to be face down when you start rolling. It's going to be on the outside. And she's applying some glue as she goes. And sometimes you'll have to take a few passes at that. This is so the glue doesn't dry while you're rolling or the paper gets crinkled. That's why she's doing it one at a time. So at the end, she's going to press it firmly together and then carefully slide it off the toothpick. Sometimes this will work well and sometimes it might be a little tricky. And there will be probably a few that you have to do over. And now she's going to thread it through and tie it with a simple double knot. The reason why you need about a foot of string is because sometimes it gets frayed and you have to cut some pieces off. And then you can always cut any more excess at the end. And here's her double knot. And now that she's got that completed, you have yourself a nice paper bead bracelet. And as you can see, your creativity is really endless on this, because you can get a variety of colors and designs, and craft stores, because of the holidays coming up, have a lot of variety of beads as well. And Jennifer, can you show them a few of the other ones up close as well that you made? Those look really nice. And this is a kit at participating branches. So thank you for watching this craft video. And you can check out a calendar of events for more branches that are going to be able to provide these items. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe to the Fresno County Public Library channel. And we regularly post new entertainment and information for your enjoyment. Thank you, Jennifer, and take care.